So guys, first method, come to gigabyte.com, www.gigabyte.com. This is official website. You have to download the driver, and you can see here search button. Click on that, just right click to paste and then hit enter. Then click to product. Then this one, Z690 AORUS master. Then click to support. Then select your operating system which is using. You can see of this operating systems to install any version driver. VGA. So you can see this is VGA graphic Intel graphic driver, and click to download. So guys, it is downloaded. You can see 760 MB, 760, and just single click, double click to exe. Then click to yes. Then it is closed.